Same thing with the EZARC Quick Change Carbide hole cutter set. Alright, so it does come with its own case. And there is the kit. Now you can't see those are the heavy duty style hole cutters. So let's see on here, these are tungsten carbide cutter tips. That's important because that means that these can actually cut through stainless steel. Not every hole saw can do that, but these ones can. You can see those carbide inserts on there. That is going to make it so they can do that. Now, these have a couple of interesting features. So it's got this little shelf right here, this step. So what that's going to do is it's going to cut through and it's going to stop right there. That's important if you're going to be cutting into something that has something on the other side. So if you're working on equipment that's already in service and you've got stuff behind it, you can put a new hole in there. You don't have to worry about damaging what's on the other side. So very nice that they got that feature. I've never seen that on a hole saw. We also have these little bumps right there, and that is going to lock into this little L shape. You can see it will kind of guide in. That's going to make it so we can change these guys very quickly. If you ever dealt with a regular hole saw, you usually have to pull a plunger and then untwist the thing for a couple of turns. This, it is just that quick. So that is very nice. It can also be very nice. You can see we got the spring right here, and that is going to be for knocking our plugs out. But in the event that we had a super stubborn plug, we just pop that guy off, easily snap that plug out, and get right back on. So if you've been hassled by plugs in the past, this is going to be the style of set that you want. Now I can say we do have a drill there in the center. We do have a set screw right there, and you can kind of see a little window right there so you can see the depth of the drill. The set also comes with replacement drills. It has a nice stepped pilot on there. I also appreciate that they actually cut a flat in there, so we got a spot for that set screw to go. It does come with an Allen for that set screw, and we got a little package. Oh, it's nice. So it actually comes with a replacement spring. So in the event that you use this enough that you actually manage to wear out that spring, we got a whole nother one right here. So we got a handful of different sizes. Even has a recommended cutting speed depending on the material that you're going to be working on. We got a 2-inch, 1 3/4, 1 3/8, 1 1/8, and a 7/8. You can see they are also labeled on the case as well as on the hole saw. And something that's worth noting is I do appreciate that we got flats on here, so we don't have to worry about this thing spinning in the chuck if we can't get a good grip on it. That's something that's more common to happen whenever you've got a large hole saw on it. Stand still. You want to get that chuck nice and tight. Man, I do appreciate how nice that is to release. So that is a stainless steel plate. I do still want to use cutting fluid. Just because we want to, oh wow, that drill cut really easily. We got definitely smoking. Give it some more fluid. The fluid itself is going to be smoking. All right. There we go. I cut through that no problem. And we got our coin. So stainless steel, a little smaller than 1/8 inch thick, but it can cut through that no problem. Now I was hoping that this plug was going to stay inside there just to show off how easy it is to pull these things out when you got a chuck like that, because you can literally just take the guy, grab it, drop it down, and you can use the drill itself to pop that plug out. So in my opinion, this is the best style that you can get. But the fact that we can also take that guy, drop it out, throw on the next size. If you have to drill a variety of different size holes, that is going to save a ton of time. Now let's take a look at the teeth. Those basically look like they are still brand new. So we'll be able to reuse this guy plenty of times. So overall, that is an excellent kit.